I mean, I don't think I like the term Yiddish revival because it's, people, it's what does Yiddish revival imply about 20 years ago or 30 years ago or 40 years ago? And, I think that the important thing to say about Yiddish is that it's constantly changing. The sort of demographics of the people who speak Yiddish are always changing, I'm not so much I'm not as interested in so what are the numbers and how many people are speaking. But there is the possibility. There's every bit as much a possibility that an extraordinary Yiddish poem is going to be written tomorrow as there was that an extraordinary Yiddish poem was going to be written in 1910. In a sense, because okay, sure, there are fewer Yiddish poets working today. There are fewer publications that will publish Yiddish poetry, but the whole point of literature and culture is that it's not representative. It's not typical. The whole point of Shakespeare is not that he was typical of his time, but that he was crazy untypical. He was magic. He was different. A great writer is always an oddball, is always strange and different. And so if what we're interested in, I'll leave the questions of revival and, the demographic numbers to people who are social historians and who care about that sort of stuff. But since what I really care about is culture, it strikes me that what's exciting is that there is lots of interesting Yiddish writing going on now, as there has been pretty continuously for quite some time. And it doesn't show any sign of being less a possibility for people to express themselves in Yiddish, to create interesting culture in Yiddish, or to create hybrid cultural productions that involve Yiddish and other languages, which has been an important sort of cultural strain for a long time too.